You ever wanted the game like it's 1812? You ever want to feel like you're gaming on the first ever computer made in the year 1325?
Yunzii has a keyboard that looks like a typewriter. That's it. That's the coolest thing I've ever heard of in my life. So I immediately snatched that up at the speed of light. Look at it! Look at it! Huh? Let's get the sleeve off. I do not want to mess up this box, man. It's too pretty. Where art meets next level typing. Oh yeah. Foam off. QL75 on. Oh, dude, look, it's like see-through paper. Oh, I feel like that's a reference to some old stuff that I don't understand, but oh, isn't that sick? I'm sure some old person will tell me down in the comments what kind of paper that is. It looks special, right? Oh, like the old style envelope. Oh, look. Yeah. Oh, I love this. Yeah. We got some legends there. We got a little quick start guide, a little cleaning cloth, the full manual. Very nice. Oh, look at it. Yeah. Just kidding. We're looking at the accessories first. Don't you know what order we do things in around here, mate? Come on now, fam. The oldest cord ever. Typical for an old keyboard to have the oldest cord around that they could find from 2001. Got a couple of extra switches. Very cute. Keycap switch puller. Pretty standard one. Nothing too fancy about that. Don't care about that. Oh. Okay. It's a lot lighter than I thought. I mean, it has like respectable weight to it, but it's not like, have you ever held an actual typewriter? Those things are like 80 pounds. Not that that matters, dude. I would say it's like medium weight. It's heavier than a normal keyboard, but lighter than like a legitimate typewriter for sure. This is so awesome. That's actually cool. Okay, let's get it out of the little snack wrap. My little snack wrap. Oh, dude, camera doesn't do it justice. This thing is freaking beautiful in person. There's no way. This is like the coolest keyboard I've ever reviewed. I know I always say that, but like for real, this is not even a keyboard. This is like a work of art. It's such a good idea. Like, it's so smart. Like, yeah. Ooh. That's so sick, dude. I'm gonna stick my phone in there. It doesn't fit. It's too fat. Hold on, I have a tablet. Boom. Leaned right on my monitor. Oh, it's just slightly too big. That's unfortunate. Dang. Okay. I really like this thing, though. Let's get a sound test going. I haven't touched it yet. Now that feels legit, bro. Too legit to quit. And then you got little rollers right here. You could just play with them. You know what I mean? You could just mess with them, click them in, roll them. Put your little tablet right there, man. Do whatever you want, bro. You know what I mean? It's a typewriter. What can I say? I never showed you guys like the sides and stuff. There's the back. Windows Mac button. Off, on. Sides. Cool. There's a little sticker on there. There's the other side. There's the front profile. Doesn't that look freaking sick? Look at that. Look at this. Look at the keycaps from the side. Isn't that metal? That's so cool. I got tiny hands. Yeah, let's plug it in. See what it looks like, shall we? Dude, I just figured out the title for the video. The RGB typewriter. Whoa. Imagine. My grandparents are rolling over in their grave right now. Let's go. Priorities. Whoa. There's so many. I'm gonna keep it on this. I'm gonna keep it a stack. That looks sick. Does this actually? Oh yeah, it's controlling my volume. Does this one control my volume too? I don't know what that one's doing. Alright, so this one controls my volume. This is enter. This is mystery wheel. Good to know. A retro typewriter QMK VIA mechanical keyboard. It is at $109.99 right now on sale from its usual $129.99. It comes in green, pink, and that's it. Green and pink. So I got the green one, but I should have got the pink one. I don't know what I was thinking. It also comes in 2 different switch types. Onyx tactile switch and Cocoa Cream V2 linear switch. It's compatible with PC, tablet, laptop, Switch, Xbox, PlayStation phone. You got customizable RGB key settings. You can set the toggle and knob function, whatever you want to use for that. And you got macros. I guess this is technically like a gift box packaging, so it'd be a great thing for a gift if somebody likes keyboards. I'd sure be impressed with this thing. Okay, and the moment you've all been waiting for, time to play Splitgate on a typewriter, and not just any typewriter, RGB typewriter. Let's do this friggin' thing.
Round one.
This is your moment. Don't
If
wait.
I win on a typewriter, you guys are cooked.
Eliminate every enemy player to win.
Cooked.
New power weapon in the arena. Offensive.
Come on, he's won. Who's gonna help? Yeah, buddy. Let's get it, dude. Oh my god, these keys feel so good, actually. I'm out of here. Yeah, you're funny, bud. Let's get it. Let's get it. Imagine getting beat by a dude on a typewriter.
One enemy remaining. Round one.
Round win. Keep it up.
Sometimes you're just playing on a typewriter. What can I say? Why are the keys like hugging my finger like a real typewriter key? Like, why is that legit?
Double
No, he's
kill.
won! Someone get him!
Close
Yes,
call.
no, what? Get
Power
him!
weapon inbound.
Brother, no. Why? That's cringe. Where's this guy? Hello?
New power
I'm running,
weapon in
I'm
the
running,
arena.
I'm running, I'm running.
One enemy remaining. You win the round.
Ah!
Another round win, but we're not done yet. Let's focus.
Stop.
Nice work.
Power weapon inbound. Victorious.
Brilliant.
Bro, no, that was the quickest game ever. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. Bro's on a typewriter. Imagine. 17 kills on a typewriter is crazy. Smash like if you liked it. Smash like if you disliked it. And the amount of likes will go directly towards, all those funds will go, of course, directly towards Yunzii, CEO, my personal friend and teammate in Splitgate. Thanks, Yunzii. I'm just kidding, of course. I don't even, you know, smash like, subscribe on the video. Greatly appreciate it. Yunzii. I don't even know what to say, bro. This thing blew me away. I actually really love it. And I like gaming on it because it's funny, because it's a meme. It's a meme keyboard and I love it. So if you want to make somebody laugh and they like tech or whatever, I think it's a pretty good, like, you know, Prime Day spend or like a good Christmas gift or something. I don't know. It's kind of funny. So anyways, check link in description. Buy right away. Buy 3 of them, 1 of each color and then 1 more green one. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.